The Business Book Awards. The shortlisted books for all categories have been announced.
I am going to read the shortlist for the Sales and Marketing category. 100 Practical Ways to Improve Customer Experience by Martin Newman and Malcolm McDonald. Art of the Click by Glenn Fisher. Narrative by Numbers by Sam Knowles. The Choice Factory by Richard Shotton. And finally, Grow Fast, Grow Global by Sarah Carroll.
Congratulations to all the Business Book Awards shortlisted books authors. The Business Book Awards, celebrating the best in business books.